Sometimes when I'm so busy, I actually make mistakes with my cooking. So I started very well by chopping onions, which I did very well. Onions and some celery. Then I was frying them very well, but I just happened to have added too much vegetables. So as a result, I had to add some extra cooking oil. And on top of that, I've also put some spices, some Indian spices. I love Indian spices. These ones, I just put. I've added a little bit already. Yeah, and also Italian. Well, yeah, I do mix, unfortunately, both any spice basically. For me, it's whatever I can find. I just mix. Yeah. So this is turmeric as well. We added it. Yeah. So the downside to my meal nowadays, which I'm doing deliberately, is the proteins are very very minor. There's not enough proteins, but this is something I'm just doing deliberately because I'm running. I do running. I'm trying to get rid of about maybe a couple of kilograms. So this should help me lose a bit of weight. Yeah. So this is a special rice I've cooked as well. I cooked this rice yesterday, and I had to reduce as much as possible the carbohydrates. So halfway through cooking the rice, I had to remove the water, put more hot water, and rinse the rice and remove that water as well. And the amount of carbohydrates in the rice is removed. And yeah, this is the mushroom I've used today, and I've also used the yellow pepper, as you can see. Yeah, it's looking nice so far. Okay, so sometimes we make a mistake. What was I supposed to be cooking on this one? I don't think I'm supposed to be cooking anything. Just this one only. I accented the switch on another cooker. Right. Okay. Kind of need a big kind of. So I got. Thanks so much for those of you who are watching live. So this is just my simple vegan recipe. It's very simple. Just chop tomatoes, onions, ginger, and I used 2 onions. After that, heat up some oil and add the tomato and onions and ginger. And thereafter, just add any vegetables you can find. And I've also added the few spices. So when it comes to spices, I love Indian spices, Italian, but when I'm cooking, basically, I just add in uh, whatever spice I can find in the kitchen. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. Look at this. Look at the sauce coming out very nice. Yeah, that's very nice meat-free dish. I've deliberately reduced the number of proteins in my meals these days to help me shed a few kilograms. I am doing the half marathon in the coming weeks, and I need to lose a bit of weight to lighten up. Next to this one, you can see this rice I cooked yesterday. This is specially cooked rice with reduced carbohydrates. By reducing carbohydrates in your food, it can also help you to lose weight. And also coupled up with intermittent fasting. So nowadays I actually don't eat anything the whole day. I just drink tea, and in the morning until 6 o'clock when I have my meal. But today being a Saturday, I eat in the afternoon. So this rice being cooked by boiling the rice and halfway repressing the water, and doing that so much carbohydrates was reduced. If you cook like this, it can also help you to lose weight. And for those who are just joining our live video, this is just a simple vegan recipe. I first chop tomatoes, onions, ginger, heat it up with small amount of oil, and add the onions, tomatoes, ginger. Thereafter, I just added any vegetables I can find in the house: green vegetable, mushroom, and some frozen uh, mixed vegetable. And this is how it's looking like. If you had to go to a restaurant, you order a meal like this, you would actually pay a little bit more. So another something special about my diet is it's salt free, so there's no salt. But once in a while, I do put a bit of salt. Yeah. Over the past 1 month, I've been eating meat free. I have dropped by 5 kilograms. Yeah. So yeah. I'm not really naturally a vegan person because I do lots of exercises and require lots of proteins. But for January, I tend to go meat-free dieting. Ooh, that looks nice. Look how it looks there. Look. So I've cooked this to last me maybe for 3 days. So one advantage of meat-free food is basically it just takes your stresses away. You become less stressful, and your sleeping habit also improves. You sleep much better basically if you stop eating meat. Obviously, I can't really recommend people to give up eating meat. Not everyone can cope with meat-free diet, and it is also dangerous to children. Yeah, so definitely this is not for everyone. But obviously, if you can once in a while go for meat-free diet, maybe for 1 week, you would actually see the results, and you will come and tell me the results. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end my live video for now, and hopefully someone can learn something. Remember, boring and bad comments on a video is really not the best thing to do. I know I don't have the best accent in the world, and but that does not give you the license to write something bad. Be nice to each other. The world is small. Thank you very much.